In this video, we're going to show you how to install your rear driver's side sway bar end link on your Ford Explorer. It's located right here on the back side near your suspension. The process for this is the same as the passenger side. Use your 18mm socket to go ahead, loosen and remove this nut. On the upper portion, there's another 18mm. Now for clearance issues, I'm going to go ahead and switch over to a wrench. Might be able to reach up there and spin that out by hand very soon. We'll spin that out. And go ahead, and we cleaned our threads here and we put some anti-seize compound on that bolt. I'm going to line that up. Throw that bolt in as far as we can by hand. Before we snug that down, let's go ahead and get this one lined up in there. Put a little bit of anti-seize on those threads there. Now we can go ahead and tighten these down. These here, you want to make sure these are pretty tight. Make sure those are super tight. Once you're all done with this here, go ahead and repeat for the other side.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.